Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this water marble and nail stamp Valentine's Day design. So I'm using white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out and pink and red by Wet n Wild. They don't have names to them because I got them as a gift set, so they're just pink and red. So I'm going to apply those colors into a cup of regular tap water. I don't use no special water. It's just the polishes. Mess around with different polishes to see which ones work well in water. And I should have used a lighter pink. I think that the pink and the red kind of blended together. So if you want, you can use a lighter pink color and it'll come out cuter than it did. I like this design, but I kind of regretted adding that kind of darker pink. So once I was done dropping the colors, I'm going to use my water marbling tool to create my design. I was going to do a spiral water marble design, but then I just thought, let me do something abstract and crazy. So I just took and I just went a little crazy with it. And I think doing that kind of mixed the colors together a little too much, but like I said, I love the finished look of the whole design. And as you can see, I carefully placed my finger in the cup and I removed all the polish before I removed my finger because I didn't want to ruin the design. And that's how it came out. It's really cute. I do like it. And I'm just going to remove the liquid latex around my nails. It gave me a problem, as you can see. I was struggling with that. And I'm going to apply some liquid latex again because I'm going to put a nail stamp design on my nails. You don't have to, but I'm using my Celebrations plate by Born Pretty. And I just thought adding a black stamp design onto the water marble would come out so cute. I was going to do a floral stamp design, but I just saw this and I thought it looked so cute and it worked really well with that water marble design. And as you can see, I just placed the stamp design on my nails. I removed the liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.